Macrame heart stud earrings tutorial. Hi guys, it's me again, Jiuv Myer, and today I will show you how to make macrame heart stud earrings. For this project we need 16 pieces of 15 cm nylon cotton thread 0.8 mm. Each earring, we need 8 pieces of thread. Arrange all thread, from the top leave at least 4 cm, then pin it vertically. If you want to know more craft tutorial from me, just click subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified for my upcoming video. Hit thumbs up, leave comment and share. After checking the measurement, let's start making macrame heart stud earring. Place the 4 pieces on the left and the remaining 4 pieces on the right. Start to knit from the middle. Knit the second thread from the left, up to last thread. After this, let's proceed on the right side. Repeat the same process for the right side. Now we're done on the first row. You will see that the pattern is in diagonal position. For the second row, just repeat the step, same from the first row. If you want to order some handmade earrings or craft, just visit my FB page. No need to knit the last thread. Get the center thread and start knitting the right side. Again, no need to knit and just leave the last thread. On the third row of knots, knit only with the 2 middle threads. After this, remove the pin and turn your project. Place 2 pieces of pin to secure not to move the project. Arrange the thread and find the top middle thread. Get the first top middle thread and start to knit. Do this on halfway first. Remove the pin, flip the project to the other side and start knitting the right part. Place the pin again to secure not to move the project. Do the same process for the right side. Then place it back the pin to secure. Now start knitting again. For the last part, make backward knot. Remove the pin. Make sure all knots are tight and secure. Next, get the scissor and cut all the excess thread. After cutting, get lighter and burn the edges to secure the thread. Now we're done, and here's the final project. I also have different color. So that's all for today, guys. If you love this tutorial, please hit thumbs up and leave comment. See you next video tutorial. For more video, just click this, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.